Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're checking out the best MIDI keyboard controller for music creators who want freedom, flexibility, and full control in one compact device. If you enjoy making beats or producing tracks on the go, this could be a game changer for you. Let's explore what makes it special. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about the Rock Jam Go MIDI Keyboard Controller. The Rock Jam Go MIDI Keyboard Controller is designed for musicians and producers who want to create music anywhere without being tied down by cables. One of its biggest highlights is Bluetooth MIDI connectivity. This allows you to connect wirelessly to your laptop, tablet, or even your mobile device. You can move freely while producing or performing, and your setup stays clean and simple. The Rock Jam Go also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery. This means you do not have to rely on constant power from a wall outlet. Just charge it up and you are ready to create wherever inspiration hits. It adds true portability, which is perfect for travel, studio sessions, or casual jam time. Now let's talk about hands-on control. The Rock Jam Go MIDI Keyboard Controller includes 8 backlit velocity-sensitive touchpads. These pads respond to how hard you press them, giving you more expressive control over your beats and samples. The backlighting makes them easy to see in darker rooms, which is great for studio environments or live settings. You also get 8 full 360-degree control knobs. These knobs allow you to adjust volume, filters, effects, and other sound settings smoothly. Because they rotate fully, you get precise control over your sound design. It makes shaping your music feel natural and interactive instead of just clicking around with a mouse. Another unique feature on the Rock Jam Go is the omnidirectional joystick. This joystick lets you control pitch and modulation in a very expressive way. Instead of simple buttons, you can move it in different directions to add more emotion and movement to your performance. It gives your music a more dynamic and live feel. When it comes to compatibility, the Rock Jam Go MIDI Keyboard Controller keeps things simple. It offers driverless plug-and-play USB connectivity. Just connect it to your computer and it is ready to work. It integrates smoothly with major digital audio workstations like GarageBand, FL Studio, Logic Pro X, and Ableton. This means you can focus on creating instead of dealing with complicated setup steps. Even with all these features, the Rock Jam Go stays compact and easy to carry. It does not take up much desk space, yet it still offers powerful control options. The design feels modern and practical, making it a great addition to any music setup. Small controller, huge creative freedom. If you want wireless connection, hands-on controls, and smooth software compatibility, the Rock Jam Go MIDI Keyboard Controller is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more exciting product videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.